Now, you all have heard of the word pi. Pi is the, if I ask you, you will immediately answer. I'll ask you what is pi, you will answer 22/7 or 3.1414. So, what is pi? From where we have got the value of it. This is the value of the pi. How do I get pi? Pi is a ratio of the two numbers. Pi is the ratio of the two numbers, that is two data. Pi is equal to, if it is a circle, the outer is called, this is the circle, this is called circumference. Circumference, and with the center O, if I draw a diameter with the center O, if I draw the diameter, this is called diameter. Diameter is twice the radius. So the pi is a number which is the ratio of the circumference of a circle Circle means length of the outer boundary, circumference, divided by diameter. Diameter of that circle. Yes, that circle. That means this is the circumference. I measure the circumference with a tape or with a thread, whatever it is, and I get, and the diameter, diameter of the AB is the diameter here, O is the center, the chord passing through the center is called the diameter. How many diameters can you draw? You can draw infinite number of diameters. Okay, now this is circumference divided by, this is circumference, this, we know, we have studied in lower classes, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is the 2 pi r divided by d is twice r. That is equal to r. Therefore, if I write here, that is circumference, I'll write C here, circumference. Circumference is 2 pi d, that is equal to 2 pi d into 2r, that is equal to 2 pi r. Pi is circumference by the diameter. This is pi, and circumference is 2 pi d, 2 pi d, that is equal to pi into 2r. Yes, that is 2 pi r. Okay, that we have done. Then this is called major segment. Major segment, that is 2. This is 1. 1 is pi. Major segment is that if a circle is drawn, circle is there with a center O, it is a center O, and one chord is, this is a circle. Sorry, I'll just draw proper, because it is very difficult to draw a circle with free hand. So this is the chord I have drawn. Okay. So this is centered O, and this is a circle C. This is the circle C, and this is the chord AB. Chord AB divides the circle into two parts. Divides the circle into two parts. This is called minor segment. These are the segments, two segments. Two parts means two segments. This is called minor segment. And this is called major segment. The bigger one will be major segment. Okay. So we have done the three also. 1, 2, 3. Then major sector and minor sector. Now, if it is a circle, this is the center with two radii. Now, before I start this, I'll say that is AB is a chord, and which is the longest chord? Longest chord will be it will pass through the center, and it divides into two equal segments. It divides into two equal segments. Okay. Then this is O. This is A, B. Arc. Arc is a portion of a circumference. Arc is the portion of a circumference. This is A, CB is the arc. How do I write? A, C, B. This is the arc. Arc. This is minor arc. Minor arc means it divides the circle into two parts. This is the smaller one. This is a major arc, minor arc, and the other one is major arc. Okay, this one is major arc, minor arc, and B Q A is the major arc. Major arc. So that means I have done today pi. Pi is that circumference divided by diameter. That is C is equal to circumference C is equal to pi d. That is equal to 2 pi r. That is d is twice r. 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 pi r. And then another thing, this one, minor segment and major segment. When a chord divides a circle into two parts, one, it divides, if the chord is not the diameter, it divides the circle into two parts, that is into a smaller portion and the bigger portion. This is called minor segment, and this is called major segment. This is the minor segment and major. Minor means small one, and the major is the big one. Then when two radii, OA and OB are two radii, OA and OB are two radii, it divides, when I draw this, it divides the circle into two parts. Again, that is into two. One is minor arc, another is major arc. Arc is this. This is the arc. Arc, I tell you, this portion ACB is the arc, and AQB is the BQA is the major arc. Major arc. Arc is the portion of the circumference. Arc is the portion of the circumference. Major segment is the inner portion, the area of this. This is the. Now, I have drawn the circle, and this is the sector. Sector. This is theta, is the angle of the sector. What do you mean by angle of the sector? Two radii, they make an angle of theta. Two radii make an angle of theta. What is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square. And area of the sector, that is, it is a part of the circle, that is theta upon, the whole thing is 360. So it is theta upon 360 pi r square. Pi r square. Now area of the segment means a chord AB. Area of the segment chord AB. Then this chord AB divides the circle into two segments, this one and this one. Segment 1 and segment 2. The bigger one, the minor segment, and the major segment. So it will be area of a segment will be area of this sector, that is theta by 360 pi r square minus area of triangle AOB. AOB is this. That means this portion I just want. I want this portion. So I have to area of the sector, the whole thing, minus, I will minus AOB. So this is the formula for it. Area of this.